alfalfa, Barbie?
Yeah, I think so. I'm just being safe.
Look at that.
Oh
I
my
see. I
goodness.
couldn't get up there close like that because Millie'd run, and to protect them, she's already accidentally stepped on the white ones.
Oh really?
Yeah, because those other guys. And then I put some alfalfa over here to get them away from them. Millie and
So
the
we'll
baby.
probably put Millie in her pen then, huh?
And I gave her
Mhm.
some, and I was surprised she ate it. So she's hungry.
Oh look at.
Look at it.
Oh, I still got the umbilical cord.
They
Look.
crawl
Mm-hmm.
on they put crawl on their front leg. They crawl.
Is this one okay?
Is the white one okay, Mom?
Yeah, yeah, she's been up and just resting. I've been out here with them since 12:30.
Wow. Thank you.